This video will focus on using the patch tool, the healing brush tool, and the spot healing brush tool to color correct this person. So let's start with the healing brush tool. And for the healing brush tool, you have to zoom in so you can see what you're working with. After you select the tool, you have the option at the top of the screen to change the size of the brush. So I would change the size of this brush and decrease the hardness to about 66. To use this brush, you have to tell the computer what area you want it to copy or to use. So I would hold the Alt key down. That's the key right to the left of the space bar. Click in the space that you want to use as a source, and then you just tap onto the area that you want to correct, like so. The benefit of using this tool is it keeps the texture of the skin while getting rid of any blemishes or issues that the model might have in her skin, like acne and things like that. The drawback of this tool is that it will copy any blemishes that are in that area that you selected. The next tool is the healing brush. The healing brush, you can just swipe across the area and correct any issues that the model might have. The downside of this brush is that it is a blurry brush. So it comes out blurry sometimes. You might lose some texture or some shine or some luminosity in the model's face. So I would continue around this model. Oops, be careful of dark areas. Look how it feathered out. Control Z to undo that. You got to be really careful if you not to get too close to a dark area. So continue around this entire model's face until you have color corrected or healing brushed everything. The last tool is the patch tool, where you would circle an area that you want to correct, and then you drag that circle over. You can use that to repair areas that have lost texture or that are blurry. You also can use it to get rid of blemishes. So these three tools are the tools that you could use to color correct the entire image. You would continue on across the entire face. I've done half of it, and do the other side as well. In the next video, I'll show you how to even out the skin tone so that it looks more luminous and get rid of dark circles under the eye.